Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making monkey bread. This is going to be really easy and really fun. So first what you'll need will be 2 cans of Southern style buttermilk biscuits, granulated sugar, and cinnamon. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. But I don't think it'll be very hard. So first what you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And with a butter pan, I'm going to grease this. Actually, I think I should wash this first. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished washing it. Now you just want to stir this. Alright. Oh, that was interesting. Okay, wow, okay. Okay, now you're just going to take a large Ziploc bag and let's see, add in your sugar and your cinnamon. Sorry, it's not putting anything. Just in this bag. I think this is okay, so that's all mixed up now. That's a fun way to mix. Okay, so now we just want to take the biscuits and let's see, first let me just try to open this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. That scared me so much. That seriously scared me. Okay. Wow. Let's see. Come on, get out of there. Go on. Okay. Same thing. Okay, this is gonna scare me again, I know it. It didn't, I even saw it. I even saw it starting and it scared me. I'm just gonna leave this one in there for right now, actually. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Are these each just one biscuit? Whoa. Oh wait, there should only be 8 in here. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I broke open both. Actually, I've only broken up one right now. So let's see. Do we have any good things? So now we're just going to cut these into quarters. So there should be like 8 in each package, but 16 in total before you cut them. So I finished with 8 of them, to 8 full biscuits, cut into quarters. Now, let's see. Okay, all mixed up. Now I'm just going to place about 6 of them in here at a time. And then you just want to close it and shake it up. or just like fold it over. Make sure they get all coated. So, I also forgot to add that we need butter, but I'm going to grab that, but I have to wash my hands really quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the butter, and now we just want to put it in the microwave. I'm going to stir for like 30 seconds, and then we'll see how it goes. Just till it smells good. Okay, so the butter is all melted, and wow, that's really hot. And now I just want to pour the remaining sugar into the butter. With the bump pan and all the biscuits, we want to just pour this over and shake it a little bit back and forth, or up and down, to make sure that the butter gets all the way down to the bottom. So just pour it all over. Okay, so now we're just going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes. I'll see you guys when that's all done. Okay, so it just finished. Now it's time to take it out and see how this looks. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. Oh my gosh. That looks seriously like so good. Okay, so we just want to let this sit for 10 minutes, and then we can flip it over. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to flip it over onto this plate. Let's see. Oh, I hope this flips over nicely. Oh, I think it did. Oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's gonna like, oh wow. Well, we know that it, wow, this looks amazing. This really did pop up a lot. Okay, that's not good. Okay, well, it's all okay. But it's just gonna taste really good. This one little piece came off, but that's okay. So this is what it looks like once you flip it over. This is gonna taste amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.